Good morning, everyone. அனைவருக்கும் காலை வணக்கம். Alert Wing Awards 2020. It signifies that everything was not wrong in 2020. Everything was not negative in 2020. There were good things happening in 2020. And the biggest and the brightest thing which happened in 2020 was that the humanity came forth at its best. We have hundreds and thousands of stories of individuals, of institutions, of organizations working against the pandemic to save humanity, to help each other, and successfully come out of this pandemic. As far as my presence here today at Alert Being Awards is concerned, I can say that I feel associated with this particular cause professionally as well as personally. Professionally, because police is in the business of saving lives. Police is not only maintaining law and order, preventing crimes, but it is much more than that. Whether it is a case of road accident or it is a natural calamity or a pandemic, police people are always at the forefront to help the victims, to help the needy. Personally, I believe in the concept of policing with humanity. And Alert Being Awards is a concept of honoring humanity and awarding good Samaritans. So that's why I said, both professionally and personally, I feel very close to these particular awards. My heartiest congratulations to the award winners. All of us know that it is not always that the goodness is rewarded, is recognized, is noticed. In a way, it is good. Why it is good? That there is so much of goodness in the society that sometimes, or shall I say, many a time, the acts of goodness go unnoticed and unrewarded. But Alert Being Awards is one initiative to recognize, to honor humanity. The advantage is that we can create a virtuous cycle of helpfulness. By recognizing and awarding good Samaritans, we can motivate others to help others. And I personally believe that if all of us have this attitude, all of us have the helping nature, I don't think any problem, any pandemic, howsoever big it may be, can cause damage to our society. I thank Alert Being Awards for giving me this opportunity to share dais and share my thoughts. I came here with an idea of presenting few awards. Due to constraint of time, I am not able to stay here for longer time, but as a surprise, I got an award on behalf of Greater Chennai Police. Thanks once again. Thank you.